India's real money rummy landscape changed completely in 2026. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act prohibits online money games and online money gaming services, so the popular cash rummy apps from earlier years should not be presented as legal ways to make money today. Amayati 1. Samadan. That means there isn't a legitimate top 5 list of rummy apps currently offering real cash games in India. Here's what happened to the major platforms, and what you should actually check before downloading one. First, Rummy Circle Aim previously offered cash tournaments, including a minimum cash tournament entry of $25 and withdrawals through its platform. Its own website still contains older cash game information, but that does not override the current national online money gaming framework. Rummy Circle Toy. Second, Yungli Rummy was another major real money rummy platform. Older comparisons listed alongside Rummy Circle as a major cash rummy service. But current 2026 information indicates its real money operations are no longer something you should treat as an active legal cash gaming option in India. Third, Gaya 23 Rummy was historically known for cash rummy and tournament formats. Earlier material describes cash games, deposits, withdrawals, and multiple rummy variants. But those historical features should not be confused with the current legal position under the 2025 Act. Ready to 3. Fourth, How Play Rummy has also appeared on lists of Indian rummy platforms offering cash games and tournaments. Again, the key issue in 2026 is not simply whether an app technically accepts players, it's whether the activity falls within the prohibited online money game category. And fifth, Indian Rummy by Octroy has historically offered multiplayer rummy formats, but an app being available or having previously offered cash features does not mean real money play is currently permitted. The reason for this change is specific. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act 2025 contains a dedicated prohibition chapter covering online money games, related services, advertising, and transfers of funds. Umayati 1I. The rules operationalizing the framework were notified in April 2026 and became effective May 1, 2026, creating the Online Gaming Authority of India and separating prohibited money games from permitted social games and esports. Umayatim Furatari. So if you're searching for a rummy app that legally pays real cash in India in 2026, don't rely on old top 5 lists, APK websites, or bonus advertisements. Your practical next step is to check whether the game is officially recognized as a permitted online social game or esports format before installing or depositing anything. If this update helped, like the video and subscribe for more current gaming app comparisons.